Yo guys, so we're on our way to check our office space out. Yeah, I know you guys don't know about it. Me talking about office space kind of looks very new to you all. So yeah, we're going to check our new office space out, right? I literally just rented out a very huge space, and we're trying to set up KOJOFOREX Academy for trading and then training purposes. So guys, we just got to the office. We didn't really get to show you the building, but we'll show you the whole outside. It's super beautiful, like I said already. We're just heading to our office space where they're working on. So come, let's go there. We've done a lot already. So guys, you can see the space, right? There's a floor. I'll break down the whole spaces for you guys as time goes on, but now we just want to settle in and see if they're doing exactly what I want. Then I'll show you things around properly. So are they coming to start fixing the glasses?
Yes, the glasses should come by
looking at serene environment, everything is good, and the space is also very wide. It's spacious, so you can do a lot of things here.
One day to be painting them.
Yeah.
Such is painting. This reception place. They are really nice to look at.
Yeah, why, you had any idea?
I think we bring them a lot of space here. So you can sit here.
Yeah.
And then we chill here.
Yeah.
So that when you open, you see the person. And I have to provide the power.
Yeah. Yeah. But there's a power here. So there's the stairs. Yeah. Yeah.
But you put an extension all the way over.
No. So you do
socket here.
So this is day 2. You guys can see the progress already. We're still keeping up with it. Hopefully by next week Monday, then we'll see like a proper shape of it, right? When the whole painting starts. So there's going to be a big TV here. Yeah. And then desk. Yes. Desk. Not punching desk. Proper and swivel chair. Maybe do you think we should carpet that place?
Yeah.
We shouldn't. Okay. Then we are taking our leave. So I'll communicate with him. I'll get back whatever he says.
From months, we only supposed to TV. Say TV listen. And I had to be back. No. I'm back as a chair. Like a chair. When you were here, what was that chair? Right. Let's have it in it.
And you are out.
say when I go, yeah, look at that.
And I just said, I'm not here. Because maybe if it's from house, until they use because I said, I'm not sure. What do you say? Who is that they use in this case? Which round?
I said,
go inside straight. Open up. Break. The way I will judge you. The way you feel just do something, it's dangerous. Yeah? See. And you're not particularly a boa. The way you feel just left something. Yes, still like this. You don't feel this. The view already. Yeah. Even the two pay your ring self, you see the view. Crazy. Crazy, bro. Crazy. That is the content from this room, on a daily basis. Content. Mad content. I think that's the view. But you know that they give you apple is not funny. Why are you pressing my neck? Like zero. I covered the beach and I'm way more. You give them some different vibe. It needs to be sacked with immediate effect. What is going on here?
We are still studying.
What are we studying?
Small trading accounting to fortunes.
Okay. Any analysis for us?
So we're gonna be, monitoring the chat. You have to be seated. Okay, Rick, where are the
Tuxedo, what are you doing?
I'm looking at USD Swiss franc.
You have any anticipation for next week?
Yeah, with the way the market closed, forming a double top, there's a possibility of a downside, so I'm looking for a sell.
Okay. Rick, are you now trying to come up with something?
Not really. I think GBP/USD is at a very important level from the monthly time frame. You can see here as a key support level. So going into next week, we are going to read into these zones to try and go long on GBP/USD.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any confirmations?
Not yet. No rush.
Okay.
No rush.
Popa, are we bearish or bullish? what you just saw is Miss Abba, Ricky, and then Tuxedo giving you their perspective of what's going to happen on the market. Today being Saturday, we're looking already into Sunday, and then on Monday when market open. Actually, market is going to open on Sunday. When you're from West Africa, it's going to open on Sunday, 10 or 9 p.m. depending on the time zone, right? But yeah, we're still under construction, right? Literally construction, as you can see me still in my construction fit. But we are probably about 90% done. So yeah, just come with me, enjoy the whole feel. This is currently like the trading room. That's how you're seeing the traders giving you that perspective of what's going to be happening, analyzing the market. You know, you're going to have the opportunity to trade in-house with us as well, right? Come on in. So finally, we're done with our trading hub, which is the KOJOFOREX Academy hub. Currently, where I'm standing is the reception area. We have a very comfortable reception seating, right? You can literally come, sit, relax. You get some beautiful views behind you. Our pretty receptionist or front desk assistant is going to assist you. She's currently not on post, but likely to come very soon. Come on in. If you come into this entrance, you're coming into the training area, right? So with the training area, we have a wide screen here. This is about 85 screen that we're going to use in replacement of a projector. Training students that are going to be learning our sniper entry strategy and then the GOAT strategy, right? So here you have like a very comfortable swivel chair that can literally relax you all the way back and then not have you have backaches before you leave our trading hub, right? So yeah, you have this going on here. But right here is my private office, which is a multi-purpose office as well, right? So I'm going to, for the most part, be trading here and then attending to clients and then also running other side businesses that I have intermittently here as well. So today I'm all suited up and looking professional because it's how we work, right? It's just how this trading business works. Give me a second, let me answer this business call. Hello? Right, so continuing, you can see I already have like my desk here. I've been trading here since morning, right? Unofficially, even though officially I'm going to be actively trading from next week. But yeah, this is my beautiful office space, as you can see it. Then you come with me to our trading hub, right? So we have a very beautiful prop trading desk, which is just pre-installed to have like computers and then internet already facilitated for you. Just come in, log into your MetaTrader and then start trading with professionals like myself and other trained professionals as well. We have the likes of Rick FX and then Tuxedo to assist you as well. So here we have the trading hub, right? So it's already pre-installed with double screen computers and then fast working CPU monitors, everything pre-installed. So very beautiful arrangement out here. Spacious as well, not clumped in, right? We have currently 10 seatings, right? And then each individual person has 2 computer screens to work with. So here, you can sit here, our monitors are already connected. You can just work everything, easy access with my mentorship and guidance as well. Then finally, just to show you around, we have our kitchenette. The kitchenette is not necessarily open to the public. It's just a few clients and then our in-house workers as well, or employees, right? So there's our kitchenette, very beautiful. We have a fridge here as well. And we made provision for washrooms, both male and female washrooms. So we have the male here and then the female just right there. So you can clearly see that the KOJOFOREX Academy has fully been well furnished, operated, and then we're going to be really opening to the public in the next couple of days. We're starting our first training session on Tuesday, the 13th of September. So I'm going to leave the link to the registration in the description. You can actually click there and then register if you want to join us. So clicking the link in the description to join the KOJOFOREX Telegram community. If you haven't done that already, connect with me on all social media at KOJOFOREX, especially on Instagram. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. I really appreciate you for all the effort you guys put into getting us to the 100K plus subscriber mark. Without doing much, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.